Today we are going to learn about how to use Zometric Qtools. Zometric Qtools is a statistical analysis software and it is browser based. In order to use this software, all that you have to do is go to qtools.zometric.com. Hit enter. You will land up on a page where you need to enter your username and password. Enter your username and password and click on login. When you land on this home page, you will see a list of all the tools that is available on Zometric Qtools. You can also access these tools from the sidebar. Let us say we want to do measurement system analysis and let's say cross GRR. You click on cross GRR, one of the tools, and you get an interface where the left side is the data pane and the right side is the options pane. So in data pane, we need to enter our data. Either you can enter your data manually by clicking on edit mode. So you can write anything you want. However, I don't need to do that. So I'll just clear it up. Click the edit mode off and fetch some data which I already have. Let us say I have this data. For cross GRR, I select my data. This is Google Sheet. You can also use Microsoft Excel or any other tool where you have your data already saved. Just copy your data to clipboard and paste it. Some of the options are by default available. You can change them if you want, and you can fill up the other one. For example, I might enter minus 2.16 to 2.26, and some are optional. It's mentioned optional here. I click on calculate and I get my output. This is gauge GRR, couple of graphs, my NDC and my ANOVA table. If I want to redo my calculation, so for example, if I want to change some values, I just have to change my value and click on calculate again. It will generate the report again for me. If I want this output in PDF format, I can download it. I can get my report in PDF format. If I want to do my next analysis, I can access the shortcut. Let us say I want to do a control chart analysis X bar R. I come here, go to my data set, copy my data, paste it here. Some of the options are already selected and everything else was optional, so I just say calculate. I got my control chart, all the rules. There are 4 rules that was identified here: rule 1, rule 5, rule 6 in 2 different places. Rule 6 on the upper side of 1 standard deviation, rule 6 on the lower side of 1 standard deviation. If I want to switch off any rule, I can switch off. If I want to switch on, I can switch on. So for example, if you see rule 5, these 2 points are highlighted for rule 5. It's also an overlapping rule. So if I want to switch off and switch on, I can, these graphs are all interactive. That's all for the introduction. Hope it helps you getting started with Zometric Qtools.